How to delete your WhatsApp account. So you might be in the position where you want to delete your account due to some specific reason, or you have changed your number. So let's see how you can do it. First of all, head over to your application WhatsApp. Make sure you are logged into your specific account that you want to delete. Once you are in here, head over to settings at the bottom right corner of the screen. In here, simply head over to account. At the bottom, you will be able to see the option of delete my account. Click on it. It will be landing you on this page. So over here you can see it says, deleting your account will delete your account information and profile photo. It will also delete you from all the WhatsApp groups. Your message history and the channels that you have created will also be deleted. So once you are ready to delete your account, simply enter your number over here and also select the specific country. Once you have entered the number, tap on delete my account and then your account will be deleted successfully. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can delete your WhatsApp account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.